In this problem, we're going to try to find or to prove the following. So the cosine of pi over 7 times the cosine of 2 pi over 7 times the cosine of 4 pi over 7 is minus 1 over 8. There are many ways to prove this result, but there is an easier way and a complicated way. And a longer way is to compute the cosine of pi over 7 plus 2 pi over 7 plus 4 pi over 7, which is equal to minus 1, and use the formula for the cosine of triangles. Okay, so this is going to be longer, and the issue that we will face is that cosine pi over 7, we don't know the value of that. It's going to appear in triple times. Another way is to use the fact that cosine of 2x is just 2 cosine squared of x minus 1. Okay, if we do that here, we will get into an order 3 or 5 equation that will be not easy to solve. We can solve it, but there is an easier way. So we want to get rid of with the cosine here 2 and 4, we get this power. So we don't want to do that. We want to get rid of these powers here. I think the easiest way is to transform the cosine into sine, and to do that we're going to use the formula. So we know that the sine of 2x is 2 sine x cosine x. Therefore, cosine x is sine 2x over 2 sine x. We can use this formula here and transform the problem. Okay, this is a hint for solving this problem. You can stop the video and work it out. Okay, let's solve it now. So according to this formula, we have cosine pi over 7 is just sine 2 pi over 7 over 2 sine pi over 7. And the cosine of 2 pi over 7 is the sine of 4 pi over 7 over 2 sine 2 pi over 7. And the cosine of 4 pi over 7 is just sine of 8 pi over 7 over 2 sine 4 pi over 7. Okay, now we're gonna do the multiplication. Okay, so we have cosine pi over 7 times cosine 2 pi over 7 times cosine 4 pi over 7. So we're gonna replace each individual by its value. So for this one we have sine 2 pi over 7 over 2 sine pi over 7. The next one is sine 4 pi over 7 over 2 sine 2 pi over 7. And the last one is sine 8 pi over 7 over 2 sine 4 pi over 7. Okay, so now we're gonna do some cancellation. This one is gonna go with this one. This one is gonna go with this one. So what we have left is 1 over 8 sine 8 pi over 7 over sine of pi over 7. But we know the sine of pi over 8, we can write it as sine of pi plus pi over 7. Okay, and we know that this is just minus sine of pi over 7, because remember that sorry about this circle. So you have x, and when you move by pi, you make a half angle, you get the negative. So if the sine here, this is minus the sine. So this is minus sine pi over 7. And therefore, when we plug it here, we get minus sine pi over 7 over 8 sine pi over 7, which is minus 1 over 8. Okay, and this gives us our formula. That means we proved this result here. Okay, the problem is coming with the cosine. If we want to adjust to the cosine, it's gonna take longer. Also, you want to use this formula. If you want to use this one here, the one dealing with triangles here. Okay, so we can use this one, but this one is just, it's cosine A times cosine B cosine C minus cosine A sine B sine C minus sine A cosine B sine C minus sine A sine B cosine C. Okay, we are looking for this one, and we know this one is 1. So here we'll have to work this one, but it will take longer. This is a quick and easy solution, because and also these powers here, when we want to do this one here for the 2 and the 4, it's not easy. So you'll have to do a lot of work, but it can solve the problem. That's what I tried first. So you start from this one and you get longer solution, and it will take a lot of time. Anyways, the key formula is this one here for this problem. So that's why you have to remember this. So this is the key. Sine of 2x is just 2 sine x times cosine x. And this will end our video. Thank you very much. And please comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.